डाल था कि यू वुड फाइल ए रिव्यू, तो बहरहाल वो आपकी अपनी चॉइस है। तो
नहीं सर, हमें तो सबसे ज्यादा खुशी है,
चलिए अच्छी
सबसे ज्यादा खुशी वो which I'll explain sir.
You fully support the judgment.
जी
You are defending the judgment.
when I'll explain, I support two of the separate judgments, one by the majority, and I'll explain why I also support Justice Mandokhe's judgment, but I'll come to that.
वो तो relevant नहीं होगी, relevant
जी बिल्कुल relevant है, बिल्कुल relevant है, but I'll explain.
अच्छा, दूसरी बात ये कि अब SIC की जानिब से आप करेंगे?
Sir, I'm in 6 of the reviews. Hamid Khan's.
I'm in 319 and I've also filed application.
लेकिन जजमेंट एक है, कोई तो उसकी तरतीब बना ले, इस तरह ना करें, इस तरह
There's some division of work we've done. I was heard for the PTI, I was heard for Kawal Shazab, and I was heard at length. And a lot of what I had to submit has been the basis of the judgment.
वैसे जहाँ तक मुझे याद पड़ रहा है, इनिशियली मेन केस में आप पीटीआई की तरफ थे, लेकिन यू आर सपोर्टिंग एसआईसी।
No difference.
यू आर सपोर्टिंग एसआईसी। आज एसआईसी इज सपोर्टिंग पीटीआई। वैसे ये
फर्स्ट डेट पे आप एट द टाइम ऑफ ग्रांट ऑफ लीव आप पेश की SIC की तरफ से हुए।
जी मैं अर्ज करता हूँ।
तो इस चले किस तरह से पेश होना अभी?
Sir, let me.
But there is no conflict between SIC
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट की बात नहीं है। देखिए ना, एक जजमेंट डिफेंड हो रही है, जो रिव्यू पिटीशन है मे बी मोर देन वन, और
Let me submit, my lord. There are two submissions that I seek to make. In paragraph 117 of the majority judgment, it is 1 minute, sir. It is held that PTI was before us. So technically, I should have been issued notice as PTI. I don't know why I have not been issued notice. So because PTI was before the court.
ख्याल है ना, हम सुन, लेकिन कोई तरतीब बना ले।
जी ठीक है, इनके बाद मैं करूंगा सर। I'll make a consolidated submission on behalf of PTI and SIC.
वो आपका अपना,
And it's a question of law primarily that I have to address.
आप
जी, आई एम इन CRP 1264 of 2024। ये थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट है इस लिहाज से कि इसमें जो जजमेंट है उसकी क्लैरिफिकेशन ECP ने सीख की थी। वो क्लैरिफिकेशन मेजॉरिटी जजेस ने 12
बात की
13 उसके अगेंस्ट इन्होंने उस क्लैरिफिकेशन अगेंस्ट ये पिटीशन इन्होंने फाइल की है। इसमें एक और पॉइंट है जो कि अभी राय साहब ने लिया, इसमें तो मेंशन है कि इसमें नोटिस हुआ था PTI सबमिटेड द रिप्लाई। इट वाज, आई थिंक इनको चाहिए था कि PTI को रिस्पोंडेंट बनाते, डिलिबरेटली इन्होंने नहीं बनाया। अगर आप ऑर्डर देखेंगे,
वो तो देखेंगे कि अगर मेन केस में पीटीआई पार्टी बन चुकी है फिर तो ठीक है, अगर मेन केस में नहीं फिर कैसे नोटिस?
जब क्लैरिफिकेशन सीख की उन्होंने PTI को बुलाया कि आप बताइए, तो उन्होंने सबमिट की सारी
मेरिट्स की नहीं। अब इस तरह है कि फैसल मेन करेंगे,
जी
जो बाकी पॉइंट है राजा साहब और आप जो है
Very grateful.
ताकि एक चीज
We are very grateful.
और जिस तरह
Very grateful. Very gracious of your lordship.
I am also for respondent number one. In one of the CRP, I will by and large adopt Mr. Faisal Siddiqui's argument, but I may make some additional points.
not from Lahore.
I'll give you sentence first.
चले ठीक हो गया, वो देख लें।
My lord. My lord, this is an unusual review petition because of course of the changed constitutional structure as well as your lordship's order through which our objections were rejected, that it is rare that the majority of the judges on the bench are judges who had not heard the main case. 6 of your lordships out of 11 did not hear the main case. So that proposes a difficulty.
Therefore, we want to hear you
Yes.
in detail.
Yes.
What were the circumstances?
Yes. So that is what I was submitting, that I have to make some submissions in detail so that all your lordships are well informed in terms of how this judgment came to be delivered. Now, my lord, the central issue, my lord, which I think your lordships would have understood up till now, is this question of reserve seats. These so-called special seats, reserve seats in relation to women as well as non-Muslims, which are contemplated under Article 51, sub-article 6, sub-article D and E, as far as the National Assembly is concerned, and article 106, sub-article 3, sub-article C, as far as the provincial assemblies are concerned. So it's about the allotment of these reserve seats. Now, the question before the original proceedings, when the appeal was heard, was not about all the reserve seats. They were about only a certain portion of the reserve seats, because these reserve seats are allotted in terms of proportionate representation. So depending upon how many seats you have won and secured in Parliament, in proportion to that, you get your reserve seats. So the parties which were in Parliament had got their reserve seats. But of course, there were a huge number of independents who had joined a political party called the SIC, Sunni Ittihad Council. And the question was whether in relation to the independents which had joined SIC, what happens to the reserve seats in relation to that? The proportionate relation to that. Whether there were only 3-4 possibilities. The first possibility is that those reserve seats, which was quite a chunk, over 70, goes to the SIC because independents had joined SIC and the Election Commission of Pakistan had recognized SIC as a parliamentary party. That was the first possibility. The second possibility was that these so-called leftover reserve seats, if they don't go to SIC, they are distributed among the other parties. So they get seats more than their proportionate representation. The third option was to keep them vacant, which is what one of the dissenting judges decided in the lower forum. The fourth option was, which the judgment under review came up with, as well as at least 11 of the 13 judges. 11 of the 13 judges came to the conclusion that it is PTI which is entitled to the reserve seat. Not simply 8, 11 out of 30. Only 2 of the dissenting judges, His Lordship Justice Aminuddin and His Lordship Justice Naeem, simplistically dismissed the appeals.
The review has been filed only against the majority judgment.
Yes, yes. And what is surprising, if your lordships look at the additional grounds, that in order to challenge the majority judgment, they have actually relied on the judgment of Justice Mandokhil, whereas their main ground is that PTI could never have been granted reserve seats, whereas Justice Mandokhil has held otherwise. So this was the basic question.
In whose additional
involved.
grounds this has been made?
Sir, the first review 312.
No additional grounds have been filed by whom?
मैं बताऊंगा 2-3 ने फाइल किए, PMLN ने 1 में फाइल किए हैं, इलेक्शन कमीशन ने फाइल किए और में किसी ने नहीं फाइल की. But I'll go. So this was, in a broad sense, more on this, but this was the broad question. Reserve seats, these leftover reserve seats because of these huge number of independents joining SIC, where do these additional reserve seats go to? These 4 categories.
Have you got the synopsis submitted by the ECP and the PMLN Council?
Sir, PMLN Council का मुझे कोई synopsis नहीं मिला, but ECP उन्होंने एक formulations की थी, वो मिल गई, मुझे People's Party का कोई नहीं मिला. And I will explain कि ये क्या difficulties cause करता है, but let me move forward. If I've stated the question precisely and clearly, now I'll move forward, sir. Sir, what has been submitted
I am
before?
asking this question because you have to cover their synopsis. They have not
Sir, मुझे नहीं
orally addressed the court, but they
सर
have
मुझे कोई
submitted synopsis
सिनॉप्सिस
in
नहीं,
writing.
मुझे कोई सिनॉप्सिस नहीं मिला है, मुझे सिर्फ एक ECP का फॉर्मुलेशंस मिले.
वही आर्गुमेंट है उनके क्या है? Because
मेरे ख्याल में I presume सिकंदर, that is what Sikandar was saying, I don't know. जी.
these are your written submissions.